For homeowners and landlords on a budget, you'll be pleased to hear that with just $1,500, there are several ways you can boost your kitchen's value, improve its looks and functionality. Kitchens make up 78% of all home improvement projects. According to the National Association of Home Builders, kitchen remodels are one of the most popular types of home improvement projects to undertake in the United States. But projects don't need to be big and extravagant to qualify as a home improvement project. In fact, according to Remodel magazine, it's cosmetic and minor kitchen remodels that turn the biggest ROI. Hey, what's up my sexy McMuffins? Tyson Dela Cruz here. Thank you so much for joining me. If you've been thinking that it's time for an update, but the money isn't there yet for a full-scale remodel, take a look at these 5 projects that'll cost you $1,500 instead. Update or replace your countertops. Countertops take a lot of abuse every single day, which means they can look older than they really are very, very quickly. This is particularly true if you have laminate countertops. It can look stained or scratched just after 5 to 10 years, meaning that you need new ones. Now I know what you're thinking, laminate countertops. I get it, laminate countertops have come a long way in terms of style and appearance. They can resemble the look of stone or quartz, and you can even undermount a kitchen sink if you want to. Best of all, you can install new laminate countertops for under $1,200, giving your kitchen a fresh new look with laminate countertops. Increase your kitchen storage. No matter how good a kitchen looks, if it isn't functional, then it isn't going to make anybody happy. One way to boost your kitchen's function and value is to make sure that you have enough storage. Storage can take up a lot of different styles, which can meet the needs of any space. Do you have a lot of open walls? Maybe consider installing some long shelves. Do you have a kitchen island? Consider a pot rack that you can hang above it. You can increase storage by adding organizers to the cabinet space that you already have. By making sure that every inch of your cabinetry is designed to hold the most items, your space can be more functional and attractive to any prospective buyer or renter. It's possible to purchase a lot of storage and organizational items for your kitchen well under $1,500. In fact, new shelving, a pot rack, some organizers can all be found for about $500 in most areas. Some awesome places that I highly recommend you check out for amazing deals are Ross, Home Goods, Kirkland, and any secondhand store. Paint your cabinets. Compared to replacing or refacing cabinets, repainting is the least labor-intensive and most cost-effective option to give your kitchen a fresh new look. Repainting your cabinets is significantly cheaper because it involves fewer materials, and it is often in reach of DIYers, which can save you a lot of money. If you opt for a professional painter, the job will still come in less than $1,000, even if you splurge out and add new hardware to match the new paint job. Newly painted cabinets will stand out to any prospective buyer or renter. White cabinets have been the rant and rave and most popular in the recent years, yet I find them the most unoriginal and dated. A fresh coat of paint will help brighten up a dark kitchen, which can make the space feel more spacious as well as modern and sleek. Install a garbage disposal. Garbage disposals bring convenience and efficiency to any home kitchen. Installing one could make your kitchen a lot more functional and user-friendly. Disposals are quick and easy to install, and they come in many different sizes and horsepowers to accommodate different sized kitchens and family needs. The best bang for your buck when it comes to garbage disposals, I actually found it at Costco. With a disposal, you can cut down on the amount of food waste going down the garbage, which can also help cut down on all that stinky. They're also incredibly simple to use, and they help make dinner prep and cleanup a lot easier. Best of all, purchasing and having a disposal professionally installed will cost you around $300, giving you a lot of money left over in your budget to make those other upgrades. Put in a new floor. Kitchens see some of the highest foot traffic in the home, so the floor tends to take a beating over time. Old, dingy kitchen floors can really lower the appearance and value of the entire kitchen. Replacing them can make a significant long-term difference. A good choice for redoing kitchen floors on a budget is going with something called VCT, vinyl composite tile flooring. VCT is really tough and durable, and the newer options look like wood, and they look really good. It installs fast, and it is easy to keep clean in a busy kitchen. A new kitchen floor made of VCT should cost you around $1,200 on average, and really transform the entire room. Don't wait and update your kitchen today. Kitchen renovations and remodels don't have to be crazy and expensive like this remodel here. Minor updates can make a significant difference to the efficiency and appearance of your kitchen. And when well executed, this can help sell or rent a property very quickly. You don't need big bucks to put a facelift on your kitchen. With a small budget, planning and a little bit of creativity are key in order to avoid spiraling costs and endless frustrations. Make sure that you pay attention to the kitchen's needs and choose the things that will make the biggest impact both on its functionality and appearance. Guys, if you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button down below. As always, be kind, rewind, peace.